Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In this video, we will learn how to fix the shutdown problem in Windows. If your system is not shutting down properly, just follow these simple steps. First, click on the Windows icon, then select Run. In the Run box, type Control and press OK. This will open the control panel. Now, find and click on Power. Options. On the left side, you will see an option called Choose what the power button does. Click on it. At this point, you'll notice some of the options are grayed out. To make changes, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Once the options are enabled, uncheck the box that says Turn on Fast Startup. After that, click on Save Changes. Now again, go back to Choose what the power button does. This time, change the option from Sleep to Shutdown, and then click on Save Changes. If the problem still persists, let's move to the second method. Right-click on the empty space near the taskbar, then click on Search and select Show Search Box. In the search bar, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the black command window opens, type the command, and then press Enter. That's it. Restart your system and check again. Your Windows shutdown problem should now be fixed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.